Hi, it's Tracy, and it's the September 28th edition of the Winnipeg Real Estate News. I'm standing here at 340 Provancha Avenue, home of the Franco-Manitoba Cultural Centre, where next week the Winnipeg Realtors, in conjunction with Winnipeg Free Press, as well as EventPro, will be hosting the Mayoral Forum. This is an all-candidates forum, and each candidate will have the opportunity to answer questions from host Brad Oswald, and they will also be able to ask each other questions as well. Also in this week's Real Estate News, we have the Parade of Homes feature. It is the last weekend to attend those special homes, so make sure that you're out and about. In addition to that, we also have a luxury living section. So if you're interested in a pre-owned luxury home, make sure you check us out because there's lots of properties out there. And lastly, we have a ton of open houses for you this weekend, so make sure you pick up the Winnipeg Real Estate News. Visit us online at winnipegrealestatenews.com or pick us up in the 480 locations in and around Winnipeg. Thanks for having us and have a great weekend. We look forward to seeing you next week.